Murder Through a New Lens is a new tour inspired by our love of Salem and its stories. We want our guests to feel immersed in the city during our walking tours. One way to help people connect to the sites that we visit is to help them capture beautiful photos that can be enjoyed afterward. This tour dives into the story of the death of Sea Captain Joseph White in 1830. The murder was not just a personal tragedy to the families involved. It was a sign of the times that Salem's century-long identity as a wealthy and successful seaport was sinking toward the horizon. By the end of the story, 4 men from 3 of Salem's well-known families were dead. Thanks to the murder's coverage in the newspapers, the story became an international sensation and influenced American authors Edgar Allan Poe and Nathaniel Hawthorne. This tour is an excellent choice for folks looking to dive deep into our city's history, who want to learn easy techniques for capturing beautiful pictures on their camera or phone, or who are intrigued by murder mysteries. Comparing this true crime to a murder mystery is not much of a stretch. In fact, during a trial following the murder, the judge is quoted as concluding that, "If such events had been set forth in a work of fiction, they would have been considered too absurd and unnatural for public endurance." We hope you'll join us for this new combination walking tour and photography workshop. You'll dive deeper into the details of a Salem story, gain appreciation for a pivotal time in Salem's history, and get personalized help creating photos of historic Salem sites.